We've probably sold about 50 homes due to the postcards, averaging about $588,000. And we've put about 325,000 or so into our pocket because of Wise Pelican's postcards. I'd probably say 2 to 3 months of mailing them out, for the customers to really get used to seeing our logo, our name, our point of view from, the advantage of utilizing Assist to Sell over other companies. One would be just the creation of the postcards. Wise Pelican has made it extremely easy to design new postcards or alter or modify some of our previous mailings. That mixed with the actual mailings themselves. Previously, we were doing every door direct marketing with the United States Postal Service, and that was honestly more of a nightmare. A lot of our postcards were not making it to the customers. We've actually had examples of those being thrown away. So now that they're being addressed to each home, a very high percentage, if not all of them, make it to the customer. It's definitely helped us generate more listings, and I think it's also helped us just make marketing and advertising a little easier. With all of the pre-created designs that Wise Pelican offers, has just made choosing new postcard designs a lot easier. The postcards definitely helped more with brand recognition and helped us gain a lot more market share for sure. We have definitely been on many a listing appointment where they've had the postcard right in front of them on the table. I would say purchasing the mailing lists has been a huge help. And also along the lines of the mailing list, finding incorrect addresses so we could correct those and make sure that our postcards are hitting the customers. And then just the design features, being able to just upload a photo and drag and drop it into the specific area that it needs to go to. That makes creating the postcards a lot easier. And I would say being able to utilize the previously sent postcards to just, create a new one from a previous sent item and have it be mailed out rather quickly. So it's just made the whole process a lot smoother. I would probably venture to guess in the neighborhood of probably $40,000 to $50,000. Our corporate headquarters, they have always suggested and are big believers in postcards. And so we have been doing that really since day one. They believe, the right size postcards, the right color combinations, and the right message really do go a long way into generating business. And so we've just, continued to ride on their coattails. Absolutely, yeah. Not in our area, but in other areas. Again, it makes advertising a lot easier. Makes getting in front of the customer a painless process. Easy to use mailing lists, easy to use prefabricated designs, and the set it and forget it feature as well. That's something that just makes advertising a lot easier, especially in the world of a realtor where there's just so many moving parts throughout all of your deals and the advertising world. So anything to make our lives a little easier, and Wise Pelican definitely does that.